Trading did not make me rich. It exposed every weakness I had. Like most beginners, I entered trading thinking it was a money-making machine. I thought I could turn a small account into lakhs quickly. I kept watching people on social media posting huge profits, and honestly, I started believing trading was easy. But reality hit differently. My trading journey slowly became hell. And in this video, I just want to share the mistakes you should never repeat if you want to survive in the market. Because honestly, these mistakes cost me more than just money. They damaged my mindset, my discipline, and sometimes even my confidence in myself. The first lesson trading taught me was this. The market is not a magical ATM machine. For every person making money, someone else is losing it at the same time. But when people lose money, they blame the market. And I used to do the same thing. But the truth is, the market doesn't steal your money. Your lack of discipline does. The second lesson trading taught me was about expectations. I had completely unrealistic expectations. I thought I could become a millionaire with low capital in a short amount of time. And because of that mindset, I overtraded, took emotional decisions, ignored risk, and blew up my account multiple times. That's when I realized something important. Trading is not a shortcut to success. It's a skill that punishes impatience. The third lesson I'm still learning is to stop repeating the same mistakes. Because a lot of traders already know what they're doing wrong. But they still repeat the same mistakes again and again. Real growth starts when you become brutally honest with yourself. And the fourth lesson trading forced me to learn was this. If your daily habits are bad, your trading will eventually become bad too. Wasting hours on mobile phones, ignoring important work, lack of focus, lack of discipline. All these things slowly destroy your mindset without you even realizing it. People think trading is about predicting charts. But after everything I've experienced, I realize trading is mostly about controlling yourself, your emotions, your greed, your habits, your discipline. Because the market does not destroy weak strategies first, it destroys weak mindsets. And honestly, I'm still learning that lesson every single day. So if you're also struggling in trading, you're not alone, and I'll keep sharing everything I learn on this journey.